Hello and welcome to the Cheaters Zone, aka June 11th, Target Field. Astros are playing, and so far it's a good day. 7 balls on the board, and you know, nothing exciting. Got one on the plaza, the others toss-ups. Kind of standard issue here, but it's kind of exciting. It's going to be a good day. We'll see if I can show you what the Target Field fans, I use that term lightly because they haven't really been that supportive, but we'll see what they do with the Astros in town, see if they get a little bit more animated. I've seen a few signs already. Let's show that, and let's have a good night. Got the right gear on now. It's a nice warm day, but actually cooler than it has been. Finally not in the 90s. Good day for baseball. Good weekend for baseball. And record store day tomorrow. But more on that later. Who knows? I'll try to stick around for the whole game, but it gets too late. You know, I got overnight record store to camp out for, so we'll see. Play by ear, but catch a bomb on the plaza, who knows?
Baseball fans, your next 7-10! Let's go, Miguel!
Then third, the third base number 2, Alex Bregman.
All right, it is bottom of the third now, just about ready to start. And would you look at that? That is the double that Michael Brantley hit in the top of the third. Thank you again, Miguel Sano. I'm gonna catch one of your home runs though pretty soon, buddy. Lucky night at the flag court. Who knows? Well, we're all tied up, 3-3, going into the bottom of the 8th. Maybe I'll catch a walk-off. I'll take that. I misspoke. Twins were losing 4-3. Donaldson, second of the game. Now we're tied. Let's go, Miguel. Twins down to their last out. It's 6-4. Astros scored 2 in the top of the ninth. Not looking good. There it is. Twins lose 6-4. Josh Donaldson's home run. Right there. Used the tripod that I had and a string. So, thanks to this, spread out just a little bit at the end, I got this. That Josh Donaldson second home run. Wild. Wild. So if you're keeping track at home, that's 9 on the night. Wow. Those are for me right now. Good night. So long from Target Field. I'll be back soon.